This is NEA, the 2-in-1 pushchair which will perfectly adjust to your pace. Agility, promptness and readiness for any conditions, these are qualities of a resourceful mum and a good pushchair. NEA is a pushchair that perfectly protects from rain and harsh sun. The heat, this won't jeopardize our plans. Until the little one is fast asleep, I can drink my coffee. NEA is also a perfect stroller that rides well in narrow paved alleys and even in narrow passings. Additionally, it will fit the shopping and all these toys. And when the day is over, NEA folds down to compact sizes in a second. With it, everything goes well for me and at my pace.
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.